Got the transmission and the transfer case back in this square body truck. Rebuilt the transmission, new clutch plates, resealed it, sealed the back of the transfer case, which is there, lifted these both up. I lifted the transfer case up by hand and bolted it in after I lifted the transmission up onto the 6x6 underneath here onto this jack, put it into place. Just have to tighten up the drive shaft bolts there for the yokes, and then the transmission cooler lines. I'll make some new ones tomorrow, so I have to cut these ones off and fill it up with fluid, and it should be ready to go.